Before I found these products, I found them just scrolling on Facebook, just like most people do. People wearing their patches and saying it gave them energy, and I was like, okay, I don't think that works, but I'll go ahead and try it, because I was just dragging. Like, I wasn't happy, wasn't excited for my days. I was not feeling good. So I decided to jump on in and grab a month's supply of these products just to try them out, see if they worked. Within days, like, I no longer needed my coffee anymore. I no longer needed my energy drinks. I just felt so good. I was like waking up refreshed, like before my alarm clock. And before, I would like literally snooze my alarm clock probably 10 times. Like, I hated waking up. Not needing to snack all the time, not needing to grab an energy drink every time I go to the gas station, and just overall feeling so good on these products.